Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a momentous day. Buckle up, because we're getting a first look at the automotive equivalent of a phoenix rising from the ashes at the return of a true American icon, the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado. The Eldorado nameplate needs no introduction. For decades, it symbolized luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. Now, in 2025, Cadillac is bringing it back for a whole new generation. Exterior: the 2025 Eldorado masterfully blends the classic Cadillac presence with some seriously modern touches. The signature grille gets a futuristic update with a mesh design and integrated lighting. The headlights are sleek and sharp, using advanced LED technology. Let's not forget those head-turning details. Check out the massive chrome wheels that just ooze opulence, and those taillights. Thin horizontal strips stretching across the entire rear, giving the Eldorado a wide implanted stance. Interior: slide into the driver's seat and prepare to be wowed. The Eldorado's interior is a masterclass in luxury and technology. Imagine premium leather seats with intricate stitching that hug you in comfort. A massive panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, making every drive feel endlessly spacious. Tech lovers won't be disappointed. A futuristic digital instrument cluster displays all the driving information you need, while a large central touchscreen controls everything from climate to navigation to the likely incredible sound system. Details on the engine are still under wraps, but rumors suggest Cadillac won't disappoint. Expect a powerful and refined powertrain that delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining that signature Cadillac smoothness. Hybrid and electric options are also a possibility, keeping the Eldorado at the forefront of automotive technology. Official pricing and release date haven't been announced yet, but considering the Eldorado's potential status as Cadillac's flagship coupe, expect a price tag well over $100,000. The return of the Eldorado is a cause for celebration. It's a chance to relive a legendary nameplate while experiencing the cutting edge of automotive design and technology. What do you guys think? Is the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado a worthy successor to the legacy? Let us know in the comments below.